Welcome to our comprehensive course on how to create and run a successful YouTube channel. Whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your existing channel, this course is designed to guide you through every step of the process. In this course, we will cover finding your niche, creating your YouTube channel, branding your channel, optimizing your channel, researching your topic for video, making videos, earning from YouTube, tips for consistent earning. Throughout this course, we will provide you with practical tips, step-by-step instructions, and insider insights to help you build, grow, and sustain a successful YouTube channel. Whether your goal is to share your passion, promote your business, or become a full-time content creator, we're here to support you every step of the way. Let's get started on your YouTube journey. Welcome to the first part of our course on creating and running a successful YouTube channel. In this video, we're diving into one of the most crucial steps, finding your niche. Choosing the right niche is the foundation of your channel's success. It's what sets you apart from the millions of other creators and helps you attract a dedicated audience. To find your niche, you need to answer 3 simple questions. First, what do you want to create? Consider your interests, knowledge, skills, and the topics you enjoy. Second, what can you create? Think about whether you can realistically create the content you want. Do you have the necessary resources? And lastly, what do people want to see? Is your topic or niche trending? Research to understand what your potential audience is looking for. To help visualize this process, let's create a flowchart for finding your niche. Here's how it works. Interests. Identify your passion for a topic. Resources. Evaluate if you have the tools and means to create content on this topic. Trend. Check if your topic is currently trending or gaining popularity. Competition. Assess the level of competition. Are there many creators already covering this topic, or is there room for new voices? Follow what your mind likes. Whichever topic excites you the most, create content around that. Write down your interests and make a flowchart to help you decide. Here's an example I made using my interests. Interests. My interests are tech, gaming, food, education, photography, creativity, fashion, AI, and news. Resources. I had resources for tech, creativity, gaming, food, AI, and photography. Trend. Trending topics were tech, food, AI, gaming, and creativity. Competition, competition-wise rating. Low to high, number 1. Tech. Number 2, AI. Number 3, food. According to this data, I choose tech niche. You can create your flowchart to select your niche. By following these steps, you can find a niche that not only interests you, but also has the potential to attract a large and engaged audience. Next, we will dive into the practical steps of creating your YouTube channel, branding it, setting up important features, and configuring upload defaults. This part contains a total of 6 steps, so let's get started. Step 1. Creating a YouTube account. Before you can create a YouTube channel, you need to have a YouTube account. This account will be linked to your Gmail, which is essential for managing your channel and accessing all YouTube features. First, we will sign into YouTube. For that, head over to YouTube. If you're already signed in, you will see your account logo. If not, you'll see the login option. Click Login and add your Gmail account by clicking Add Account. Enter your Gmail ID. Click Next, and then add your password. If you have 2-factor authentication enabled, verify it from your phone. Once done, you'll be logged into YouTube. You should see your account icon in the top right corner. Step 2. Creating your channel. Creating your channel is the first major step toward becoming a YouTuber. This involves setting up your channel name, handle, and logo, which are crucial for your branding. Click on your account icon in the top right corner and select Create a Channel. You'll see an option to add a logo, name, and handle for your channel. Get creative with your channel name. Head over to ChatGPT and type, "Give me 20 unique YouTube channel names for a tech channel." Select a name from the suggestions, check its availability on YouTube, and repeat until you find a unique name. Once you find an available name, copy and paste it into the channel name section. Next is entering your channel handle. Enter a unique channel handle for your channel. This helps in branding your channel. For the channel logo, we will use AI to make it. Go to ChatGPT and type, "Give me an image generation prompt for a channel logo of a YouTube channel named your channel name." Copy the prompt, head over to Ideogram AI and create an account. Paste the prompt, select a 1:1 resolution and click Generate. Choose your favorite logo and download it. If you don't like any, click Generate again to get new results. Then upload it to your YouTube channel by clicking Select Picture, and then add the logo you just made. Finally, click Create Channel, and you can see the channel has been created. Step 3. Customizing your channel. Customizing your channel is essential to make it stand out and provide necessary information to your audience. This includes setting up the basic info and writing a compelling description. Click Customize Channel on your YouTube channel homepage. In the basic info section, you can change your name, handle, description, add links, and more. Your description defines your channel. You can add up to 1,000 characters. We will use ChatGPT to generate a description. Go to ChatGPT, then open your old chat and type, "Give me a description for this channel." Copy the generated description, paste it into the description section, and modify it as needed. Add your channel keywords, explain what you make, your social links, and other stuff. Step 4. Branding your channel. Branding your channel involves creating a banner and a watermark, which help make your channel visually appealing and recognizable. First, we will use ChatGPT to generate an image prompt for your channel banner. Go to ChatGPT and then go to Old Chat. Now type, "Give me a banner prompt for this channel," and hit Enter. Now copy this prompt and go to ideogram.ai. Paste the prompt and select a 16:9 resolution. Generate and download your banner. Then upload it in the Channel Customization tab under Branding. You can add a custom image or your channel logo as a watermark for your videos. Upload the watermark and choose when it appears during the video. Entire video, end of video, or a custom start time. Step 5. Verifying your channel. Verifying your channel unlocks features like live streaming, longer video uploads, and custom thumbnails. It's an important step to enhance your channel's capabilities. Go to YouTube Studio, click Settings, then Channel, and Feature Eligibility. Select Intermediate Features and click Verify Phone Number. Enter your country and phone number. Choose the text message option. Enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone and click Submit. Refresh the page to confirm verification. Step 6. Setting Upload Defaults. Upload defaults are pre-configured settings for your videos, saving you time by automating repetitive tasks like adding descriptions, tags, and more. To add upload defaults, first, head over to Settings in YouTube Studio and go to Upload Defaults. Add details you want to be pre-filled in your video settings, such as social media links, your website, work email, etc. This saves time and helps in maintaining consistency across your videos. Here's an example of what you can add. Now you have successfully created and branded your YouTube channel. verified it to unlock additional features, and set up upload defaults to streamline your video uploads. Head over to YouTube Studio and open the settings. You'll see a menu with various options. The first thing you need to do is select your currency. All the money you earn from YouTube will be shown in this currency. If your local currency is available in the menu, select it. Otherwise, choose USD. Next, moving on to the channel section. Here, you need to select your country and add keywords. Keywords are essential for your channel's discoverability. They help YouTube recommend your channel to the right audience. To add keywords to your channel, head over to ChatGPT and type, "Give me channel keywords for a YouTube channel named your channel name." Copy the generated keywords and paste them into the keywords section. Now, let's move on to advanced settings. The first option here is whether your channel is made for kids or not. If you only make videos for kids, select the first option. Otherwise, set it to either no or I want to review this setting for every video. Next, you'll see an option to link your Google Ads account. We'll cover this in detail later in the course. Following that is the automatic captions option. Enabling this will allow YouTube to auto-generate captions for your videos. Also, turn on the option to remove inappropriate words from your captions. Now let's talk about interest-based ads. If you enable this option, personalized ads will not be shown on your channel, which can slightly reduce your revenue. I suggest leaving it unchecked to maximize your ad revenue. Next, let's talk about feature eligibility. This section is crucial as it determines what features your channel has access to. There are 3 types of features: default features, intermediate features, and advanced features. Default features include uploading videos, creating playlists, and adding collaborators. These are available to all channels immediately. Intermediate features include live streaming, uploading videos longer than 15 minutes, and custom thumbnails. To unlock these, you need to verify your phone number. Head over to the channel section and make sure your phone number is verified to access these features. Advanced features include appealing content ID claims, daily live streaming, uploading more videos daily, more shorts uploads, embedding live streams, using external links in the description, the new test and compare thumbnail feature, and eligibility to apply for monetization. To unlock these, you need to have intermediate features enabled and perform one of these verification steps: either video verification, valid ID verification, or channel history. Video verification means simply look at your phone's camera and follow the prompts, look up or down, etc., to get quick access to advanced features. To verify through ID, all you need to do is take a photo of your valid ID, like a passport or driver's license, to gain access to advanced features. After 2 months of channel activity and following YouTube's community guidelines, you'll establish channel history and YouTube will automatically delete your ID. Or you can wait for 2 months and YouTube will generate a channel history of your channel, giving you access to all the features. Moving on to channel permission. If you want to add other members to your channel, you can do that from channel permissions. Click Invite in the permissions menu, add the person's email address, and select the permissions you want to give them. For example, you can permit someone to be a manager, editor, editor limited, subtitle editor, viewer, or viewer limited. Limited access gives all other permissions except viewing revenue data. Next up is the Community tab. Here, you can add managing and standard moderators to your channel, add or remove approved users, and hide users from the channel. You can also block certain words from your comments and live chat and stop people from sending links. This helps you manage comments and maintain a positive community without having to manually review each comment. Here's how you can add a moderator to your channel. First, add the username of the channel or person you want to add. For example, I'm adding our main channel, Tech AI. Once you see the channel in the list, click on it and it will be added as a manager. Finally, we have the agreement section. Here, you can read the terms and conditions of YouTube. The terms for monetization are also written here. I highly recommend reading these to understand the platform's policies. And that's it. Click Save to apply all these settings. Now let's talk about creating another channel using the same Gmail account. If you want to create branches of your channel without using different Gmail IDs, you can do it easily. Head to YouTube and scroll down to find the settings icon. Click it. and you'll see an interface with the option to add or manage your channel. Click Create a Channel. Add the name of your new channel, tick the checkbox, and click Create. And there you go. Another channel created using the same Gmail ID. The next step is about how the YouTube search works and how you can use it to boost your content creation strategy. Understanding YouTube search can significantly enhance your channel's visibility and growth. So let's get started. The first step is understanding YouTube search algorithm. First, let's talk about how YouTube search works. YouTube's search algorithm is designed to deliver the most relevant results to users based on the viewer's search queries. It considers factors like video relevance, engagement, watch time, and user interaction. Here's how it breaks down. Number 1 is relevance. YouTube analyzes the keywords in the video title, description, and tags to determine how well they match the user's query. Number 2 is engagement. Metrics like likes, comments, and shares indicate how much users interact with your content. Number 3 is watch time. This is the total amount of time viewers spend watching your videos. Higher watch time signals to YouTube that your content is valuable. Number 4 is user interaction. This includes viewer behavior, such as how often users click on your videos and how long they stay. Next step is conducting keyword research. Now that we understand the algorithm, let's move on to keyword research. Keywords are the terms and phrases users type into the search bar. Here's how you can find the right keywords for your content. First is YouTube search suggestions. Go to YouTube, start typing a topic in the YouTube search bar, and note the auto suggestions. These are popular search terms that users are actively looking for. Next is using tools. Tools like TubeBuddy, VidiQ, and Google Trends can help you identify high-performing keywords related to your niche. Next, we'll analyze competitors. Look at the top videos in your niche and see which keywords other creators are targeting. This can give you insights into what's working well in your content area. The next step is optimizing your content. Once you have your keywords, the next step is to optimize your content. Here's how you can do it. Number 1, title. Include your main keyword in the title, making sure it's compelling and clickable. Number 2, description. Write a detailed description that incorporates your keywords naturally. This helps YouTube understand what your video is about. Number 3, tags. Use relevant tags to help YouTube categorize your video. Include a mix of broad and specific tags. Number 4, thumbnails. While not directly related to search, an eye-catching thumbnail can increase click-through rates, indirectly boosting your video's ranking. I will explain how to add keywords to your video title, description, and tags in detail later in this course, so stay tuned for that. Next step is monitoring and adjusting your strategy. Finally, it's important to monitor your performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. Use YouTube Analytics to track how your videos are performing. First is monitoring the traffic sources. Check where your views are coming from and see how your videos are performing in search results. Second is checking the audience retention. Monitor how long viewers are watching your videos. Higher retention means your content is engaging. Third is adjusting keywords. If certain keywords aren't performing well, don't hesitate to tweak them and test new ones. And there you have it. By understanding how YouTube search works and optimizing your content accordingly, you can significantly improve your channel's visibility and growth. First of all, we will start with the type of videos that are on YouTube so that you understand how to upload your content properly. Then we will get into the basics of creating your videos. You need to understand that being consistent with your content can make your channel reach the heights you want it to be on. First, let's talk about the featured video. This is the video that will be shown to your subscribers on your channel's homepage. It can be your most popular video, or a video on a trending topic. This is your chance to showcase your best content to your audience. Make sure it's engaging and highlights what your channel is all about. Next, we have the trailer video. This is your channel trailer, a short video that introduces new viewers to your channel. For example, if you have a gaming channel, you want to include the games you play and some popular clips. Keep it around 1 minute long and make it exciting. Then there's the premiere video. This is a scheduled video that goes public at a specific time and date you set. Premieres are a great way to build anticipation and engage with your audience in real time. When the video goes live, you can chat with viewers as they watch the video for the first time and answer the questions they ask on the way. This makes your channel more engaging and people get attached to the channel. Lastly, we have short videos. These are 1-minute videos uploaded in portrait format. Shorts are fantastic for quick, engaging content and can help you reach a broader audience. They're perfect for tips, quick tutorials, or highlights. Next is planning your content. Now that we understand the different types of videos, let's move on to planning your content. Start by brainstorming ideas. Think about what your audience would love to see. Use tools like Google Trends or YouTube search suggestions to find popular topics in your niche. Next, create a content calendar. This helps you stay organized and ensures you have a steady stream of content. Plan out your videos at least a month in advance and mix different types of videos to keep your channel dynamic. Do thorough research on your topic. Ensure you provide accurate and valuable information. Look at what other creators are doing and find ways to add your unique twist. Then comes creating your content. Let's get into the actual content creation process. First, start with a script. Even if it's just a rough outline, having a script helps you stay on track and cover all the points you want to make. Then comes filming. When filming, ensure you have good lighting and clear audio. These are crucial for creating professional-looking videos. Use different camera angles to make your video more engaging. This part is exceptional if you're making a faceless channel. The final part is editing. Editing is where your content comes to life. Use transitions, effects, and music to enhance your video. Keep your editing style consistent to build a recognizable brand. I will explain about different free and paid video editors later in this course. The next part is the content of your video. These are the elements you need to include in your videos to make them interesting. Let's start. Number 1 is hook. Take an example of a fisherman. When he goes fishing, he uses his fishing hook to catch the fish. That is exactly what we will do in our videos. We will add a hook statement at the start of the video so that the public gets engaged with our video. The hook must be from 20 to 30 seconds long. Here are some tips on how to do so. First, start with a question. For example, do you want to grow your gaming career? Then, give a brief info about your topic. After that, give a little intro about yourself. For example, your name, your content type, etc. Lastly, be energetic at the start and hook your audience with your energy. Moving on to number 2, channel animation. After the hook, include your channel animation intro. I've made a video about it. You can watch that and make a channel intro animation for your channel. You can find the link in the description, or you can search on YouTube for free intro animations. Number 3, introduction. After the logo, move to the introduction of your video and the things you're going to do in the video. Start with your channel's introduction, and then welcome the audience with an energetic voice. Then give the recap of your last video, like what you did and what are you going to do further. Note, give a recap only if the videos are connected. Otherwise, you can just continue without it. Number 4, content. After that, start the video content, the things your video includes, and everything else. Give detailed info about your topic. Explain the topic in the best way you can, and make sure you do your best. Number 5, conclusion. Then sum up your video by showing the results or final words, etc. Conclude your video in 20 to 30 seconds. Number 6, precap. Give brief information about your next video, or you can skip this part if your videos aren't related. Number 7, closure. Add the outro for your video. Give the call to action. For example, like and subscribe, etc. Also, tell your viewers to comment on their reviews and suggestions in the comments and share the video. And lastly comes the final touches. Once you've made the video, the next part is to upload it to YouTube. But if you don't know how to make a video, don't worry. I will show that as well later in this course. To upload a video on YouTube, first head over to Creator Studio. After that, click this Create icon in the top right corner, and then click Upload Video. Then you'll see this menu. Click Select File, browse to the location where you saved your video, and click Open to add it. Now the video will start uploading and you'll be prompted with this interface. The first thing here is the title. I will explain how to add a title in detail later in this course. We will add a short title just for the time being. Next is a description. You'll see this description has already been added to the menu. This is the description we added in the Uploads Default section. You can edit this according to the video's needs. I will also explain everything about the description later in this course. Next is a thumbnail. YouTube will auto-generate 3 thumbnails from your video. You can choose any one from these, or if you have verified your account, you'll see these other options. The first is custom upload. You can upload your custom thumbnail by using this feature. The second one is to test and compare. With this feature, you can upload 3 different thumbnails for the same video, and YouTube will show those thumbnails to people. After some time, it will tell you which thumbnail you should use in the video. I will explain how you can make thumbnails for your videos using AI and Canva later in this course, so stay tuned for that. Next is selecting a playlist. Playlists are helpful for new channels because viewers can find a specific type of content in one place. For example, if a viewer wants to see videos related to Filmora, They can simply go to your channel and open the Filmora playlist. You can add your video to the playlist by clicking on the playlist, and if you haven't already made a playlist, you can make one by clicking Create Playlist. Then add the name of the playlist and you can leave the visibility public for these. Next is Audience. If you've made a video that suits kids, then you can tick the Made for Kids option, otherwise select Not Made for Kids. Next is Paid Promotion. If you're featuring a sponsor in the video, tick this option. If you're not, leave it unchecked. Next is the Altered Content option. If you've used an AI avatar of a real person in your video, you should tick this option to let YouTube know. Next, tick all these options. Next are tags. Tags play a minimal role in helping viewers find your video. Add them here. Next is selecting a category. Category is also very important because it helps people find your content. For example, if you select the gaming category and then add the game you're playing, now when a viewer searches for the game, your video will also be shown in the feed. Next are comments. Comments allow you to make your content better. If you enable comments, people will be able to point out mistakes in your content that you can improve over time. Make sure that the comments are set in the comment moderation to moderate, so inappropriate comments don't show in the comments section. You can change the comments setting for each video if you want. Moving to monetization. This feature will only be unlocked if you've monetized your account, otherwise it will not be shown. Turn the monetization on and select Next. Here you can select these options. If your video contains any of the following, select Otherwise, select none of the above, and click Submit Rating. Next is Video Elements. Here you can add cards, end screen, and subtitles to your video. I will show you how to add all three of them later in the course. Moving on to checks, check if your video is suitable for ads. If there's an error regarding ads in your video, it will be shown here. You can fix that by changing your video before making it public. If there's nothing wrong with the video, you can just click Next right away. Next is Visibility. Here you can set the visibility of your video. You can set the video to private, unlisted, or public, or schedule it to go public later. If you choose public, you can set it as an instant premiere. Premiere is like an instant schedule. People can come and chat on your video. Once you're done with that, you can simply select Publish and your video will be public. Crafting the perfect title. As I've told you earlier, the YouTube algorithm observes your title and other stuff to rank your video. So now I will talk about how to write a good title for a YouTube video. Follow these steps to write a good title. Use keywords. Find the keywords that are best suited for your video. There are two types of keywords in a title. First is the long tail keyword. This is the first part of the title. This part contains the main info about the video, and it is important for SEO. The second is the short tail keyword. This is the second part of the title, separated from the first one. It can also be the extension of the long tail keyword. To add the keywords first, head over to YouTube and search for the type of content you made. For example, I made a video about creating an AI avatar for free, so I will search for this on YouTube. As you can see, other creators have already made some videos on the topic. Now I will check out these titles and find the good keywords. For example, these keywords are good and have more views. I will simply add this as my long tail keyword and change it a little according to my video needs. Next, add a space and a ratio symbol to separate the keywords from each other, or you can add the vertical bar symbol instead of the ratio. Now we will find the short tail keyword and add it as well. Now you can leave the title here or add your channel name if you want. To do so, add another vertical bar and type your channel name. Title length. Make sure your title consists of 50 to 70 maximum characters. If you go beyond 70 characters, the whole title will not be visible to the mobile user. Since most of the YouTube audience uses mobile, your video might not get more views. Make sure to explain your video in a maximum of 70 characters, spaces included. Be descriptive. Clearly describe what the video is about. If you're doing a tutorial, include the specific topic or tool you're covering. Doing this enhances your video reach, and more people click on the video. Create curiosity. Phrases like how to, top 10, or the best can create interest and encourage clicks. So try to use these phrases where you can in the title. Insider's language. Try not to use insider's language in your title. Insider's language means the technical words that you use in your field. For example, words like SEO, CTR, etc. You can also ask ChatGPT to give you a compelling title for your video. Here's how to do so. First, head over to ChatGPT. Then type, "I've made a YouTube video about creating an AI avatar for free. Suggest clickable titles for that video." Hit enter, and it will generate titles for you. Copy the one that you like and that suits your video and paste it into the title section. Also, here are some tips to make a good title. Tip 1. I suggest writing the video title before you even start recording your video. because it's easier for you, and you don't have to waste much time. Tip 2. I also suggest you change your title after 2 or 3 months because it helps to give your video a little more boost. After some time, the titles get outdated and people do not click that much, so if your video is not performing well, you should update the title. Tip 3. Try not to use symbols like the percentage symbol or @ symbol in your title. Then comes writing an engaging description. The description also has an important role in recommending your video to your audience. In the description, you can also add keywords related to your video. Here are some tips on how to write a description. Tip 1. Repeated keywords. In the video description, you can use repeated keywords to make your video available to more people. The more you repeat keywords of your video, the more chances it has to get more reach. Tip 2. Using the 5,000 words. Utilize the 5,000 characters. You can ask AI to give you a full professional description for your video. To do so, head over to ChatGPT and type, "Give me a description of a video titled title of the video," and hit enter. Copy this and paste it in the description section. You can make the necessary changes to the description here. Tip 3. Keywords and start. Make sure to add the keywords at the start of your description, because YouTube reads it from there. You can add the video title again at the very start of the description. This also helps in getting some reach. Tip 4. Describing video. Make sure to describe your video in detail in the description menu. Explain what you're going to do in the video in detail. Give the links to the apps or websites you're using in your video. Add your social media links, and if you have a sponsor, put a link for them as well. Tip 5. Timestamps. Add the timestamps for your video in the description. Timestamps divide your video into chapters and make it easily accessible to your audience. For example, if a person wants to see a specific part of your video, they can just click the chapter for the part they want to watch. To add timestamps to your video, first, open your video on YouTube, then scroll down in the description section till you find the Show Transcript option. Click on it and you'll see the whole video's transcript is shown with the timestamps. Copy this transcript including the timestamps and go to gravitywrite.com. Here, first create an account and then search for timestamps in the search box. Click on the tool and then paste your copied transcript here. Finally, click on Create Content and it will automatically generate timestamps for your video. Copy and paste them into the description and tweak them if you want. Tip 6. Hashtags. Make sure to add hashtags according to your video and channel. These also promote your videos. Next is designing an eye-catching thumbnail. To design an eye-catching thumbnail, you need to learn about the things required for thumbnail creation. Elements for thumbnail creation. These are the elements required in the YouTube video's thumbnail. Resolution. The resolution of the thumbnail should be 1280 by 720 pixels. This is the ideal thumbnail resolution given by YouTube itself as of 2024. Aspect ratio. The aspect ratio of your thumbnail must be 16:9. Size. The size of your thumbnail must be under 2 megabytes. If it exceeds 2 megabytes, you will not be able to upload a thumbnail to YouTube. File. The file types supported in YouTube for thumbnails are JPG, PNG, and GIF. Tips for thumbnails. Here are some tips that will help you create clickable thumbnails. Using less text. Use less text in your thumbnail. The less text you use in your thumbnail, the more it will be interesting for your viewer. If you can create curiosity by adding fewer words in the thumbnail, you should do that. Here are some examples of these thumbnails. No fancy fonts. Don't use fancy fonts in your thumbnail. Since most of the YouTube viewers use mobile, so if you use fancy fonts, people will not be able to read it completely. So use simple bold fonts like Impact, Anton, and Bold, etc. Bold and bright colors. Use bold and bright colors in your thumbnail background and the text. Use colors like yellow, red, black, white, etc. Human interaction. Human interaction means including your own or some model's face in your thumbnails. A study says that if your thumbnail has a person in it, people are more likely to click it. Now that you know the tips and settings for thumbnail, I will show you how I generate thumbnails for my videos. Mostly I make my thumbnails using Canva or Photoshop, but when I want to make a thumbnail in a hurry, I use AI to make my thumbnail. To make a thumbnail using AI, first we need inspiration. For that, head over to YouTube and search for the title of your video. For example, I'm searching this. Then I will find a good-looking thumbnail. Then right-click on the thumbnail and click Copy the image after that. Head over to ChatGPT and paste the thumbnail there. Then write this command, "Give me an image generation prompt for this thumbnail," and hit enter. Now copy this prompt and go to ideogram.ai. Here paste the prompt and set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Then click Generate. And in a few seconds, your thumbnail will be generated. It gives you 4 results. You can choose any. And if you didn't like the generation, you can regenerate to get new results. Okay, we got these results, but I didn't like the results. So now let's change the prompt and try again. Head back to ChatGPT and type, "Improve the prompt for better results," and hit enter. It will improve the prompt. Copy it and go back to ideogram again. Now paste this new prompt and generate it again. We got these results. If you like any from here, it's good, but if you don't, repeat it. But since I didn't like this thumbnail, Now I'm going to make a thumbnail manually, just like this one using Canva. So let's start. First open Canva, then click the Create a Design and search YouTube thumbnail and click it. Now first of all, we need the background. Let's see our example thumbnail. They used a dark background, so I will use the same. In Elements tab, search for dark backgrounds. I'm adding this background. Next is the face of AI Guy's avatar. For that, we will go to AI Guy's channel. Here, this thumbnail has his image. I will copy the video address and go to youtube-thumbnail-downloader.com. Now paste the address here and it will show me the full thumbnail of the video in HD quality. I will download this and open it in Canva. Now I will cut the face part and put it here. Then I will add a green-colored shadow to this image. Next up is the text. For that, click Titles in Canva and add this. Now I will type Avatar like AI Guy. Now change the font of this text. I'm changing to Impact. Next up is the arrow and free icon image. I will search arrow in the Elements tab and add this arrow. And next is the free icon. Go to the Elements tab and search for free circle and add this image. And our thumbnail is done. Let's compare it to our example thumbnail. Pretty much the same, right? This is how you can make a thumbnail for your video using Canva. Finally comes selecting relevant tags. Tags play a minimal role in promoting your video. Tags usually correct the misspelled words in your title or description. For example, some words in English UK and English US are not the same, so tags help us correct these spelling mistakes. To add tags, copy your video title. Then head over to rapidtags.io, or you can go from the link in the description. Then paste your title in the search box and hit enter. In a few seconds, it will generate tags for you. Check these tags to see if they match your content or not. If not, change some keywords in your title and try again. Once you're done with this, copy the tags from here and head back to YouTube Studio. Here in the video settings, paste the tags. There you go. Thanks for watching this course. I hope you learned something new and feel more confident now. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to help. Keep practicing, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.